Today's vlog is my dental appointment. So check up na natin na mga kapat dito lang sa Midtown Dental Clinic po. Dito lang sa Dera, mga kapatid, Dubai po. Sa likod lang po ng Algorair Mall po. So guys, mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat. So from overpass po dito sa Union, makikita nyo. Okay, galing po ako dito. And yan po yung building po ng Algorair ko. Makikita nyo hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan ay sana all. Makikita nyo po, you can see the Claridge Hotel. So as you can see, I'll gonna show you the Union Metro Station. So I'll gonna turning around, sana all, turning around to that Claridge Hotel po. So eto na po guys. So let's go. Samahan nyo na po ako, brother and sisters, to all other words. So we're gonna go straight and then you can see here, Algorair. Okay, so you can see there. Okay, go straight. Okay, Claridge Hotel. So once you reach here, okay, this is the building, brother and sisters, to all the world. Claridge Hotel po. And then you're gonna go there. And of course, so this building, just follow this area. Ay, sana all. So, I'm here. Let's go. Palapit na po tayo. And then you can see here the Midlife Pharmacy. And the next, the Stack Shoes po. So, ito na po guys. Yung sapatusan po dito, sa gilid nito, okay, sa gilid, you can see here and then you will go inside here. Okay. Pasok lang po and pasok. Okay, let's go inside. Just walk slowly and here, welcome to Smile Bright. Oh, sana all. Midtown Dental Clinic 101. First floor lang po mga kapatid. And of course, we'll gonna press this. Aha! Elevator and then press 1. Of course, and here nag-open po sila 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. and ayan na po si Doktora Ikra and si Miss Dia, of course, and si Miss Doktora talaga, Doktora Laila. And here we go. At andito naman po yung mga kabayan natin na of course kasamahan ko po na magpapaklining, magpapayos ng ngipin. At syempre naman ako, soon, abangan nyo ang aking crown zirconia. Ayan, nakukuha lang yan sa magandang usapan po guys. Affordable po. At eto guys, every smile tells a story and magsisimula na po tayo and sana all mega love shoutout po. At I really love it, brother and sisters, because sana all the customer service panalo. I really love it. So nag-start na po to guys. O ayan po, crown zirconia na tayo. And right after that, syempre, nagresita po sila. May rinisitahan ako ni Dr. Ekra and bibili na po tayo ng gamot dito. And yeah, finally, thank you so much. I got it, my medicine. See you again in our next vlog.